Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Klaasse.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and today we will talk about the signature, URL, and file form fields. Desk Director Forms allows you to ask various types of questions to get all the information from the customer.
These question types are called form fields, and you can use them to customize and tailor your service request forms to fit your business needs. Today we will cover the signature, URL, and file fields. The signature form allows users to input a drawn signature. The file form allows users to upload a file. And the URL, you guessed it, allows users to input a URL. Let's look at these fields in action.
The signature field allows users to draw their signature, but can also be used for data that requires drawn input.
The URL field validates input so that only valid URLs are input.
The file field allows users to upload files. Note that every ticket can have one or more files attached to it at the beginning or during its life cycle, even without implementing the file field.
Thus, we recommend using the file field type for two reasons. 1. You want the file upload to be surrounded by relevant questions, data, and input in the form instead of in a separate place at the bottom of a ticket. And/or 2, you want to be able to identify the file in workflows. Note that unless you have Desk Director's Essential or Basic plan, then the maximum file size for uploads will be 100 megabytes. And that's how to use the signature, URL, and file field types when making forms in Desk Director.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms.